Hi, I'm Ellen from Graco. I'm going to show you how to put a Playard sheet on your Playard mattress. Before we begin, you'll need to remove the mattress pad from your product. Look on the back of your mattress pad for its dimensions. Check these against the packaging of your sheets to ensure you have the right size sheets. Check that your mattress sheet is the right size by simply laying it on top of your mattress pad. If the sheet does not line up with your mattress pad from end to end, you may not have the right size. Once you've verified that your sheet is the right size, you are ready to begin. First, with your mattress pad soft side up, slide your sheet over the short end of your mattress pad. Next, take the last segment of the mattress pad and bend it upwards. Pull the other end of the sheet over the bent segment of the mattress pad, making sure that the corners of the mattress pad are snug in the sheet corners. Flatten out the mattress pad, smoothing out the sheet and ensuring that all of the sheet's sides are tucked under the mattress pad. You may now place your covered mattress pad into your product. Once you've placed your mattress pad into your product, check again that the sheet is smoothed out and that the sheet's sides are tucked under the mattress pad. Do the pinch test. You should not be able to grab a substantial amount of the sheet in your hand. Don't forget to complete the rest of the steps for proper setup of your product, such as attaching your mattress pad to your Playard frame for Playard mode. Now your Playard is ready for sleep or play.